Good morning, guys. Welcome back. The 12th of February. We're taking a look at XRP this morning. US dollar daily chart. Bitstamp will be the data provider here on tradingview.com. We're taking a look at XRP because it is in a very interesting area here, and I think something big could be coming here for XRP. Of course, I may be wrong, guys, and it's not financial advice. XRP is down 1.5 at the moment. Bitcoin down 0.7. Cryptocurrencies, a little bit of red this morning across the board on this Monday morning in February. XRP has been down, sideways to down for a long period of time, guys. It's been, let's see here. It's been roughly 98 days since this market hit a top up there around the, at least my level, around 69 cents, give or take. And it's been, it's been a while. It's been a couple months. We're currently down at 51. If we zoom in on the chart, remove that watch list. If we zoom in on the XRP chart, we're currently trying to find support at a 51.882 level. That's right here on the chart. We're creating this rising wedge or so, this rising channel. XRP looks like it's creating a head and shoulders, which would not be very bullish. Now, I've seen these patterns be created and actually the market breaks to the upside. For whatever that reason is, not all patterns are 100% guaranteed to, break out or break down, whatever pattern that may be. So, of course, that's possible. Sometimes when everybody sees the same thing in the market, it doesn't take place. The opposite does. So we have this left shoulder. We have this big head forming here. And so far, we're starting to create that right side of the shoulder. How far it goes in time to the right, we will see. It's just something to keep your eye on if you're an XRP holder. Yeah, I've noticed it on the chart and figured let's talk about it here this morning. So XRP, if we zoom out on the chart, XRP, I have a lot on this chart from the previous video, which was a while ago. The apex here goes out until, I believe it's 2025 timeframe. Yeah, March of 2025. So that's a lot of time way out here into the apex. So XRP is respecting this big pennant pattern that it's in. It hit a major high up here in the high 90-cent range. It's found support at the lower end all up in here in 2022, 2023. We're approaching, if this price starts to break down once again, XRP will be quickly finding itself at the white support line down here that it has once been at. Although the head and shoulders pattern would take us quite a bit below that support line, there is a chance that the price starts to break down and does find support there, not creating its entire move lower. So keep that in mind. That would put the price, so let's say, for an example, that XRP dropped today all the way down, which I don't expect that to happen, but let's say it did. It put the price around like 47 or so cents. 46.5, 47 or so. And that would put the price roughly down, call it like 9 to 10%. That's if XRP, 1, goes lower, 2, finds support at that. You can see this larger pennant pattern that XRP is in here. I mean, it's many, many years You can see respecting the top, and then we used this high way back in here in 2017, and then we have support, lots of support. So it's in this giant pennant pattern here. If XRP does not find support at that white line, which I would be very surprised to see that not happen, that means, it could be a shakeout. You can trade below it. We've seen that right over here where we've broken below it, and then boom, major support comes in. So the chances of that happening, I think, are pretty high. If it doesn't happen, let's get back to that example. XRP, I think, is going to be heading quite a bit lower. I have a price target down here at 34 cents, 34,800, right here in red. I think the price gets in and around that area. Maybe it pauses a little bit higher, but I think that is a pretty good area based on the cup with handle. That would put the price down quite a bit. You're talking like 30% lower. That's down there at 34,800. No guarantees that'll happen, guys, but you just want to talk about it. We got a head and shoulders forming. Potentially, if we get a big move lower, I think worst case scenario, you see XRP back down there at 34,800. But like I said, there is some stopping points before then, one of them being right up here at that 46, 47 cent. Then we have one at 45, 44. And there is a chance you stop slightly higher than that 34,800. That's the bearish scenario. Let's say XRP doesn't break down. It starts to move higher. Well, if that's the case, I have a ton of levels above this market that I would keep an eye on. For XRP to get back up to the upper end of this pennant pattern, which would be up in here. So let's say we get up there today. Let's say this market just explodes to the upside. That's like an 80 cent and 81 cent XRP. And it would find resistance. Let's say it does find resistance like it did back in here, which was in July. 80, 81, 82 cent XRP. And on a percentage, that would put the price up. Let's see here. You're talking a 58% move in a day. If it took place today, which it's probably not gonna. That's not that bad. We've seen massive moves before in XRP. So there is your bullish, there is your bearish scenarios laid out for XRP. Keep your eye on the head and shoulders. Have realistic expectations here for if this price really starts to get momentum to the downside, potential areas of stopping. If the price explodes to the upside, potential resistance that it's had in the past. And at some point, both of those will be broken. We'll see. At some point, they will be broken. And it might take until March of 2025 until this thing trades up into the apex. So we could see moves lower. We've seen it in the past, guys, though. If it's going to respect the pennant pattern and trade out in time till 2025, there's a chance we'll find ourselves back at the lower end of this range, and there's a chance we'll find ourselves back at the upper end of this pattern multiple times before we get to 2025, and then higher or lower. So let me know your thoughts on XRP, guys. What a grind this thing has been, huh? Hold this thing for, gosh, trading this thing back in 2017, 18, 2020, 2023. Wow. That's all I got to say. Guys, thanks for watching. All links are always down below. Appreciate if you do use those. Does help support the channel. You guys have a great day.